message for you, comrade. State resources were used to tarnish one person. And let me tell you, state resources in the form of intelligence service or whatever have got huge amounts of resources and equipment. Very powerful. That can see every corner, can get into a bank account and check, can listen to a conversation, can look into a bedroom and see who you are sleeping with and all that. I want to argue that when state resources were unleashed on Comrade Cyril, they were not looking into what's happening in the bedroom. They were looking for huge things, massive corruption. They were looking for that. Underhand deals. They were looking for that. Fraud. They were looking for that. Yes. Cronyism. They were looking for that. Stealing tenders. Maybe having signed with Anton Rupert, as you are told, a deal to share the wealth among, you know, the so-called bourgeois and you know, and the whites. They were looking for that. I'm quite sure of that. And after looking, after using massive equipment, all they could come up with is who is in love with you.